When we were searching for new tablet devices, we found it difficult to choose between several highly rated options. Two popular choices were the iPad Air M2 and the Surface Pro 10, each with its own unique features. After using both devices for months, we decided to compare them to figure out the best options for our other team members. So, let's see what differences they have with an in-depth comparison. When it comes to design and build, the iPad Air M2 is sleek and durable, with a premium aluminum build that makes it lightweight and comfortable to hold for long periods without causing tiredness. We really loved the device's rounded edges, which added to its ergonomic design. The 11-inch model of this tablet weighs 1.02 pounds, while the 13-inch model weighs 1.36 pounds. Meanwhile, the Surface Pro 10 features a similarly powerful and lightweight aluminum body, as well as a kickstand that helps us to use it as a laptop or a tablet. We were also able to attach a keyboard to it, which makes it practical for both work and leisure. Overall, the Surface Pro 10 is a multi-purpose and functional tablet, but the iPad Air M2 is lighter in weight because of the Surface Pro 10's weight of 1.94 pounds. Both devices came with high-quality displays that improved our viewing experience. The iPad Air M2's Liquid Retina display impressed us with its vibrant colors, deep blacks, and great brightness levels. Whether we were watching movies, browsing the web, or editing photos, the visuals appeared crisp and immersive. Additionally, the tablet's True Tone technology automatically adjusts the display's color temperature based on natural lighting conditions, which provides a comfortable viewing moment in any environment. Alternatively, the Surface Pro 10's 13-inch PixelSense display with a 3:2 aspect ratio and 120 Hz refresh rate proved to be a standout feature. We enjoyed smooth scrolling and fluid animations, which made our interactions feel responsive and natural. The display's high resolution ensured sharp text and detailed visuals, perfect for productivity tasks and media consumption. Furthermore, the touch capabilities helped us to navigate intuitively, enhancing our overall user interface. We compared the performance of the iPad Air M2 and the Surface Pro 10. Both delivered high-quality performance due to their powerful processors. The iPad Air M2 is powered by Apple's M2 chip, and it handles demanding tasks with ease. We could multitask quickly, switching between multiple apps without any noticeable lag. The tablet's nice capabilities were showcased when we ran graphic-intensive games and video editing software, and they both ran smoothly. On the other hand, the Surface Pro 10 is equipped with an Intel Core Ultra processor featuring a neural processing unit, and it excels in AI-driven tasks. We experienced enhanced productivity with features like automatic framing, eye contact, and background blur during video calls. Additionally, the device's AI capabilities improved our workflow, and we were able to complete more in less time. Let's compare their pricing. Both devices offered competitive options to suit different budgets. The iPad Air M2 starts at $599 for the 11-inch model, which makes it an affordable choice for those seeking a premium tablet experience without spending a lot. The 13-inch model, priced at $799, provided a larger canvas for work and entertainment, while still being relatively accessible. However, the Surface Pro 10 catered to a more professional audience with its starting price of $1,199. While more expensive than the iPad Air M2, the Surface Pro 10 delivered a versatile 2-in-1 experience, combining the functionality of a tablet and a laptop. This made it an attractive option for those seeking a powerful and adaptable device for both work and play. After using both the iPad Air M2 and the Surface Pro 10, we can say that each device did well in its own unique ways. The iPad Air M2 proved to be an exceptional tablet, offering a perfect balance of performance, design, and affordability. Its user-friendly interface, vibrant display, and impressive battery life made it an ideal companion for entertainment, creativity, and light productivity tasks. The Surface Pro 10, on the other hand, stood out as a multi-purpose and powerful 2-in-1 device. Its laptop-like capabilities, AI-enhanced features, and high-end performance made it a compelling choice for professionals and power users who demand a comfortable blend of productivity and portability. Ultimately, the decision between both devices will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Let us know if you have any further questions or would like to share your thoughts in the comments below.